Actually, recently in social media, Jamaican veteran artist Ika Mouse start take to the live a lot.
Prominent,
And
very
prominently,
often.
right?
Yeah, very often.
And then, Footer Hype addressed something that Ika Mouse said and OMA BF and say Ika Mouse a fish. And then it drag up back a little story that when Tony Rebel said, always gay if you found out now. And Ika Mouse was one of them who found out. You see me?
When was that? In a song?
Back in the days.
Or I'm trying to get context. When did Tony Rebel say that?
It's not in a song. It's just like a speak. Say,
okay.
So basically, like them would have said, we're not ridicule,
Yeah.
If we know over that side, make we know.
Yeah.
See, all of this dragged up because Ika Mouse take to the live and start this Bob Marley them and Damian Marley. We all Bob Marley pity them. And say them the more than him and who go suck them mother and go up on them mother. See, you don't know. Footer take him on, you don't know. Footer set things right and say, yo, he's a one of them from them time there. And based on how him a go on and based on previous and past video that he done,
Are you
he kind of
convinced you?
Yeah, kind of convinced me say he might play for the other team because you see,
I'm just mad.
In the same speech where him say, oh, him not busy with them want to say about who are this and who are that. Because if this man link him for do a song, he might do it. Because he want to make him money and this. Yeah. I say, this man we fouled up in them time there where it is very strict and on certain thing.
Yeah, certain
Do
levels.
you don't have no morals?
Dragon, as I said, them time there,
different.
it was about where I do. This time, as you said, when people want to justify where they don't make money from, then put in, as we say, just like with office thing, but your money gotta start. The man need money. And the man say, anybody come for a dub, him just shut a dub, them shut him Zell, whatever it is, and give him money.
But hold on, at the same time, Footer Hype state and address him as a fish, right?
He doesn't mental for it. Like
him don't deny it. He don't deny it. Not one bit.
So let me.
He not accept or deny it.
Gangali has made a statement.
If somebody say you a batty boy, you not deny it or
you not confirm or deny.
So we are you a boaty.
Right about now, yeah. If somebody say you're a fish and you say not, you're not gonna from saying you are.
That's true.
No matter how you
but
you have control of what
obviously
what
him not come out and try to defend himself and say him and a fish.
But he's on live chatting about things.
Him on live at this time and I say who are this and who in the song when anyone gonna make him money anymore.
Do you think that he's experiencing a mental situation? Because Gangali is saying Ika Mouse is sick mentally.
It's possible.
Me think him a fish.
What me thinking?
That's your conclusion.
Yeah. What me thinking? Enough for them.
Me think so.
Enough for them.
And everything him attack say yo
artists,
jungle and this run up and million jungle yo dog just build man.
Enough for them. That's what they say mad kind because they already kind of old. When some people get old and them get fame as artists and celebrities, and then reach a point where them say thing around
them not and them not really doing
mental
much.
state shaky. So there's internet now help mad people more than a shrink. Trust me. Cause you're surprised when you say man go jump off one cliff. It matter no really and truly who really appear mind. That just for entertainment purposes.
The reason why I jump on this topic because there was a survey conducted the other day that I think it was Observer put out where say 90% of Jamaica are against the whole gay thing to be legalized and
the gay movement
embedded in our community and the whole LGBT community.
Right.
And if we live in a democratic country where, as well as a democratic majority rule, so there is no place for them. Because if 90% of the country
says
no,
right,
and but 1-2% say yeah,
10.
and the rest 8% abstain,
yeah, or
so
them not gonna vote.
We just say like, is this right? Because we see in Jamaica now, where you have some famous people where they over the other side.
Yeah.
Like look on Derek now, and this and that, and we just have look at it and say, is this because of the whole TikTok frenzy? Because people don't want to work, and people can go up on TikTok and go live and make a piece of money, and them not care who want to give them one rose I want whale, I want lion.
hats.
Because that's why I'm not a fan of these TikTok live, because I have an idea. Some of these men who go up on TikTok will say they are straight, macho man. In real and true, enough of them are undercover batty boy, because I did say this before. Because once man start give them money, them man batty man with them about out all of them life. Good. And me not realize if someone see this or see the trend. See, or some people they pan live how much man I get catfish pan live and them sit there. Them and batty man they pan live a play game or a play a match and them sit there. Them a chat to man and the next thing them know I want big. I want big net man them a chat to you. You understand? So me I wonder what Jamaica gone.
Bird's talking at the fire phone corner, please.
When do appeal a public live, whatever, anything in a public where everybody you can't selectively pick your audience or pick your customers there. Everybody are passed to your shop. The difference is, are you colluding with the situation? If you don't say rare, if I say I play music, a dance game, the promoter has no control over who are coming there. Criminal, thief, anybody, scammer, whatever. You are play a song and this umbrella just forward up, money pull up. And then you don't see man as that person, because the man move like a normal person, as both with content as a normal person. Then tomorrow, a year, say, yo, Jagger, you know, so when I get trigger and pull up a post and say, yo, money up and low there, dash all over the internet. You say, the man's out, whatever you say, yeah? Well, you give me the money?
Well, I'm boss. That's not by choice.
No,
well,
that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
so most of the time when I say, oh, this and that, some people up on the live them, somebody come in and comment, give you and cut, I say thanks or whatever, yeah. You know who the person is. You do not know.
Bad man, hold on.
I'm a free because I'm beaming on TikTok, yeah. If somebody join the conversation with you, say turn on them camera and you see how, and then you are entertaining situations.
You have a choice whether or not.
That means you're
condoning.
You're condoning them to give it something because you want to keep them active. Then there's a different conversation where somebody's father say and cut. You can't know what it is.
Well, on there. Where you draw the line at the sun now in terms of like.
I just said that.
No, in terms of these things, because hold on, you have some people say a fish because listen.
That's what I
said. For them
if
talk.
You don't know.
Hold on, my boss. Not for them from hear them. You know, say a fish them.
Right.
Cause enough time me depend live. I me do like so. Me depend TikTok. I see a live. I listen to it and I say, no man, that's all I fish. Skip. Hold on there. Hold on, my boss. You do like say you say yo scroll past it. Me not entertain it. I mean I want dance because I'm a selector, right? And the example we use, if somebody do some money pull up on his own scene, put on some money pull up. If I know say he's over that side, I'm telling him say no thanks, I can't accept your money. Because
you will outrightly say that?
I will outrightly tell you and give you back your money because hold on there. It's like what church don't accept certain money. Dragon don't accept certain money. You keep your money in your clothes.
I will tell you that.
Bad man.
The church will do that. Okay.
As a good church, hold on. Yes, me as a youth, me have morals and me have values because you can't just out a road and live so.
Good church,
you can't live so in a road, bro. You have to have standard because I'm a true Jamaican.
Yeah, but I think...
And I feel like it's a certain thing within our culture because, Tik boy, if we don't stand up for something now, see, I make a stand. In next 10 years when we turn all man and stop God dance hall, that means the dance hall and our culture just turn one big melting pot. We can't identify it no more. And a Jamaican culture again.
But I think Brett has differentiated between knowing, say, yo, them play for the team and not knowing.
That's why I say, if I know, boom. But if I don't know, if you don't know, you don't know.
Right.
Because that's an honest mistake.
Right.
You make an honest mistake, see?
Right. You make a mistake. You
no.
Make no mistake. You just don't know.
It's an honest mistake.
Mistake at moment you make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. You didn't
Brother,
make a mistake.
From it's an honest mistake. Because you know, you don't know. So you walk go out a road and rain a fall. I never carry my umbrella. I make a mistake. I leave my umbrella at home. I never know so rain a fall. You make an honest mistake.
That's the question.
So in that terms, yeah.
And we're gonna wrap up this topic and move on to something else.
I always say this. Every time we talk like each year, we always have customers say we don't want them running away. You got hospital. Now we do yourself with the youth. You really sick. and the only person them did at the time for help youth is of the LGBT community. You gotta tell them, so no, we are with till the morning.
That's a good question. Answer it.
Move fall back to you with an answer.
No. Let's talk about it now.
You go with till the morning.
Let's talk about it now. That's a very good question.
And in proper,
because my boss.
No.
Dragon is answer the question.
You know, and I say, you know, the person literally,
visually, yeah.
You know, say they're that, but they're the doctor and the ward at the time. We have to save a youth life.
No, that's a different thing because a doctor, right? They're not supporting, they're doing their job.
No.
Hold on, boss. Hold on. Remember, me not discriminate, right? Against people. So in terms of this, say me go one shop or whatever, and you work there, and I'm working at one workplace and you work there. Me just know so you are that, you stay over here, so me stay over here. So
Right.
me no hate nobody. So in terms of if I go to hospital and say, is one of them of the community, is a doctor, them a do them job, and me can me youth to get attention from a medical professional. So he might do them job and can me youth there. So yes.
All right, watch the flip side.
But I'm not expecting no money from them. Me and me.
No. Watch if you're expecting your picking life is saved, that's even more than money. Watch the flip side of this now. You're an influencer on TikTok. Somebody follow what they give you. At the same concept, you're doing a job on a platform where you're collecting gifts.
That's why I mean I like the TikTok thing because here I know.
It's gonna be banned anyway.
Yes, you see the TikTok thing?
When?
Me can't. No.
They're gonna ban the
me not have the bad mind, but I feel like say TikTok thing.
Your bad mind.
It fuck up the culture. And like the Jamaican, the brand Jamaica.
But when I said this,
it's a fuck up brand.
But I said this from a long time. For the music part, every else part, TikTok wants to be socializing.
Yeah.
For the music part, it a fuck up everything industry wise. From all right, media one place, you don't know where I work. Media one place, I pause a conversation, and me somebody say, yeah, but he had 3 million views on TikTok. I'm a guarantee you. That song was just a clip it and it trend. So I'm like, forget in the door. No. Them look for your social media, especially TikTok. If you do a shit song and reach 1 billion views, they must say you're going to sign up for that. So the work rate is so low across the board. Take a Jamaican alone, across the board in the industry, the female them even worse. They sing lower grade they were singing before, where it's just the same, even worse. The man just sing a few catchy line. And that's it. An artist sing solid song. No, some of the
on TikTok.
You know, in general, some of the rapper them sing the songs them purposely for you certain catchy line so it can post
it's social media
on the media, yeah. And artists them were across the board, dance level where we sing solid song. Them still have them fan base and them still them thing, you know. But the hype them you normally get. You see a man with a Grammy because in TikTok they just streaming up so. But the song no value nothing after a while. And then the man there so we grow and become triple diamond, whatever you can call the goal them give them. And it come back down to win on a dance hall, yeah?
Yeah.
Nowadays especially. None of the artists them trending. I don't see a trend, but then them go tell you a price, tell a DJ man a price to play. We can't really be a dub. You have to literally call him and tell him, say, you must do a drug and say, oh, take out that. Basically rewrite the song.
Rewrite it, yeah.
You like, am I song now? So because of that, the industry is literally fucking up. Enough man over here as UK artists as well is trying to follow the trend. I understand why, but they're concentrating more on the media format and platform than the generic where somebody come support you. A man rather get 1 billion view per line and a man booking for your show and nobody turn up and I'm happy with the online present than anywhere else.
I understand all of that, but that's not even my biggest problem because in terms of the music industry, is always going to be a bias, right? In terms of like what people really worth plus what their social media worth. My biggest problem with TikTok is I think it's being misused and people are so into it because I recently been scrolling on TikTok and realized that people are now going to sleep on TikTok.
Yes, it's a thing.
People are now.
It's been a thing.
People are now just putting them, just going live and going to bed.
It's not just now.
That's not bad.
And me look on him and say, "Bumbo blood clot. Oh, you call somebody can have all train somebody watch them asleep."
And them get gift and them make money.
All right.
Yeah.
Yo, the world gone mad.
No, it's not TikTok based on world like that. If somebody now want work, I can see them yard and feed them youth and whatever like that way they pick up them. I understand that. There's a youth in Jamaica, the AI because yeah, and do that, you know.
Yeah, like the Barbie thing.
He's always number one trending, and he's making money from it. But I wish more of them to put on the gun.
Yeah, and do something like that.
Because end of the day, Dragon, it serves its purpose goodly, serve it badly, and it corrupts some.
But birds, do we have longevity when I get up on the fuck like that? Because remember, you have people who hot for now,
And
then
fall
flop.
off.
Because if I fall off on TikTok without no strategy, right? You know, come down a skit or nothing. You know, organize yourself if you do a show or whatever on TikTok. You just come there, if you just wing it all the time, just go sleep and do bare fuckery. You're not going to stay relevant.
They're taking advantage of what TikTok does.
The reason why they do that.
You're not going to stay relevant.
The reason they just do not sleep. The app will tell, like Facebook, Instagram will tell you, say, go live for a minute and then pay you. So what they did, they become influencers there. So they get told, this is your task for the day.
Yeah.
Because remember, it's all about streaming and consistency and lying. That's why Instagram will never kick off you when certain things happen.
Yeah.
They never want, the more animosity online, more traffic. That's what they sell adverts with. So when them tell you, say, yo, Dragon, when you go live for 20 minutes, from that time to that time, yeah, we are pay $150 US. You go do it. They say, yo, when you go drop asleep on the TikTok.
I don't think they're dictating to you what you can do.
No, because it's the algorithm of the countries them. Remember, it have to come to a point where everybody can eventually meet at the same time.
Nah.
Because
there are whole heap of lives that I've watched
but when
where they're sleeping and we're in totally different
but
time
what time
zones.
did you watch it? When you get up in the morning, though?
No.
What time did you watch
Nighttime here.
You're nighttime, yeah?
Yes.
Bad man,
It's daytime there in
Yeah.
Jamaica or the US.
Exactly. So you there that night after you finish work, them they are Jamaican at the day. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, it match up, yeah? And the second thing about it is that they are keeping the app consistently.
Yeah, they are. Anyways,
No,
that's what they make
hold on. What we're
To
trying to
each his own.
establish here, fucker or no fucker. Somebody think they want to say I go on TikTok.
Yeah.
Fucker or no fucker. People will go come on live
Which
and
we
come
can
sleep.
see if you all there and payment supposed to
Because I feel like so this TikTok thing, right? It's kind of leading somebody with them to stray because
Yeah,
watch here now.
There's nothing productive.
You don't
being
come
done.
like say a rich man, a kind of, what you call it, a buy out a little boy, little by little.
Why
like a
little
game
boy?
candy. Because some of them man yeah, on TikTok.
Woman do it too, dog.
And
You
some of
have to
them,
include.
no, and some of them woman yeah.
Yeah.
But most of the man them. When you go up on TikTok and behave somewhere,
in your eyes.
one is a potential batty boy. Because the boy go up on TikTok and make man and send them gift and then them whole moral change because of that. One is a potential batty boy. And the boy go up on TikTok and your character change because when I get lion and I get wheel and I get blood clot taps and roses, one is a potential batty boy.
And those are the views of Dragon.
I mean, I tell you that straight because man for be a man, not because of TikTok and view and some of them things. The dog, as a man,
Hey.
I know everything woman can come on TikTok come do. Cause
And vice versa.
I pay a man up on TikTok and wine up now. You know. Right now again, I'm not. We can't even see two blood clot get a wine again.
Yeah.
Because the man them take over the whining
Your
thing.
algorithm
Wrong.
watch it.
We can't even see the girl them a wine again because the man
algorithm
them,
watch it.
the man them a take over the whining thing. But yo brother, on the load of something man, cause I go like on a batty boy. You feel like say, when you can any boy up on TikTok a wine and man a send a rose. First thing, I don't even like the rose thing cause the boy not forgive me rose.
Dragon.
I don't even like that something there.
Dragon. I tell you
It's a good thing. I know you get the
Jagan.
rose, my friend.
Dragon, you seen a life?
It's a good thing.
In a life, I tell you this. Take my foolish advice or smart advice. You see when you're up on a public forum
Eh,
and you see certain things go cross, when I see you search it,
what?
certain things arrive on your timeline.
I think it's I remember TikTok.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not. You think ironically, you see thing when it arrive on your timeline,
You can block.
So you can block and you can exit.
Mm.
So if you
Right true.
So if you stay, all right, say boom, and you say 10 seconds, and you stay for the whole routine.
Stay for routine.
No, I'm
Bad
saying.
man, me not clip on none of live them.
no,
No.
I'm saying if you stay for the whole routine, you complicit to what you cuss yourself people about. Bro, it's 8 billion people in the world. But you not like an next
7. Yeah.
7.999 blah blah billion.
Yeah.
And again, TikTok was made for one country, forget all educational purpose algorithm in a for them country,
I know you
and
say.
it trash over yourself.
Yeah.
Because when you talk about positive stuff,
I saw them say, because
No,
I
no,
never
no.
go China. Some saw them say.
no, but
that can be propaganda
no,
too.
No, all right, I find them that have them in a quote America.
Bad man, that can be propaganda
No,
because
let me
in
finish.
the day,
Let me
I
finish,
saw
bro.
them say.
Dragon,
Let me
allow
go.
Brett to finish, please.
So umbrella quote and I'm talk about how the algorithm go. Let's find it and send it. They actually bring them go.
What way I say?
Yeah.
I mean, see what I say, but
Dragon.
here why is propaganda, my boss.
But at the same time, that country itself do not allow fuckery. They got internet for a reason.
No, because China, make what targeting. China, basically, birds, if you never know, China, certain thing, you can't get on Chinese internet because them block certain thing. Block certain American thing, block certain thing. Just like over here, certain website, you can't access unless you use a VPN.
Yeah.
It's normal in certain country because certain country don't allow certain filth. It's not like Jamaica where you can't go by anything like it's free for all.
England is the same.
That's why I'm saying certain country block certain thing. Block certain website. It's just like China.
China like everything.
Them filter out some of the shit them and their internet is more restrictive and more watch.
Allow him to finish.
You get me?
Yeah, finish
So
your point,
obviously,
Pastor.
if them black out some of them trash there, the algorithm automatically on TikTok are going to allow you not
see certain
to watch some of these things because obviously them black it out. You get what I say? So yeah.
Dragon.
So it's one of them things there.
Dragon. I ever at college and them said the internet here. That means that the college allow you to watch what you watch. Them not Canada, Jesus Christ. China, yeah. China literally anything them you see for your screen of China, I would them want you see. So there's no chance of anything slipping. No, even VPN can work in China.
But at the end of the day,
Not
dog,
even
you have the choice. What you have the
Birds,
choice
me no
to
know,
skip.
and you don't know, cause
or
you
to
ever
block.
got China, me never got China,
I
my
know.
boss.
You have the choice to skip or
You have a
block
try
on
to
TikTok,
skip
so.
on them something about.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I said that.
I just feel like say, our Jamaica, sweet Jamaica we love, and our culture with the world love. Some of these like man, them a undo everything where the foundation people them we set the thing before we because
No. Them not do it.
them undo it.
Nope. Everything we are going now, they go on long time.
What? You just say man, bomb buckler man I come wind up on live.
Listen, everything we say I go on
Just
now.
social media make it more
Everything you say I go on
known and
now.
seen.
Go on then, I go on no. When in the news, them say a girl 11-year-old breed in the community. I will go, oh my gosh, bro, this shit been happening.
From long
It's
time.
just that social media wasn't prominent enough to post
Yeah.
it. Because it can post now, you have less hiding and less. It's still a go on.
It's in the form.
Because if it was an uptown, apparently they told them underage. Cool.
Wait, recently?
Yeah, apparently she's 11 and them about 13, whatever. I don't know.
Who the boy is 13?
Yeah, that's why them can't disclose him
It's
name and that. Cool.
information.
But apart aside from that, all the world unfair is this. If an uptown man with a downtown little girl, no one knows about it, not go nowhere. But
Why you say that?
from using the word uptown downtown, you must know mean the unfairness.
No, why you say about it? Because like in a thing like that, I feel like say
Now, it is wrong for 100%.
it's a grey
In
area.
terms
there.
of the age.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
very wrong. 'Cause if I pick the underage, but who are the person will make it happen? Because when it's like, look, get to youth, running for now, get to youth, man, youth, they want beating, kind of nothing there. When the uptown person, them can't go uptown, either them embarrass or usher, or them move them out or whatever, and then it become absolutely nothing about it. You see me? So the point I make is, Dragon, all this shit been going on for a long time. It's just that more people are more confident enough more because they get more protection than what them do, and them can go places quicker than before.
Well, I mean,
You're not gonna like it because you weren't seen when you're younger, but literally, nobody can get up one day and the whole Jamaica just switch.
Yeah, misinterpret the entire argument of me. I say, remember now, in terms of people who we see prominently do some of these things, right? They are also a name. They are a recognizable face anywhere them going to Jamaica.
they'll be recognized.
Right? So all you can tell me say, if we are against certain thing, or them allowed to continuously doing it and continuously be out on the road and nobody now tell them say, yo, we not depend that. And some my time too, some of the people have to blame too, cause when you depend them page and not tap up his scream and them so they are not entertaining fuck because just look on the saga scene. Just look on this Queenie and Dewey saga as example, right? It's none of my business still, but it's a saga we are going back and forth too long and everybody just so invest in the fuck we are going them life. And
Because they've put their information out on social media.
we say
and
fuck we are out flag off of that cause it's not the right kind of message.
Yeah, it's not
We wanna
right,
send
but
out
it's
there.
still in the social media
If you
realm.
log off, but
When
when
log
time
off.
somebody there work, both are stressed out, and that's gonna make you get a little peace of mind.
So you want to laugh off somebody's expense all the time.
But they're the ones
As-
putting their business
As
out
we
in
said
social
earlier,
media.
if you get rid of problem,
Yeah.
You have to get rid of the problem.
Because I did. It's like, bro.
All right, watch it.
It's
Jaga.
none of our business.
Me feel like say half of Jamaica mad. No, because
you've always said that, but at the end of the day, bro, like social media is a consumption kind of situation, and people are always going to be putting things out into the universe. Always going to be on the app. People be no such Jamaican.
As we talk about madness, we have to big up Tavi, King Tavi, because he mad enough, but he's a mad genius.
Bro, see this.
Big up King Tavi.
This is what I argue with people with
You
this.
see me? King Tavi is a mad genius because he's a very talented youth. You see him put out a skit the other day, he shot, he bad.
But he's been doing this from him do it when he have Vice Cartel and Movard them do this. But
So is he
We're talking about.
I talk about
the kind of skits that he's done and the music video?
He's been doing it for years. I've been following his work from years.
Yeah.
But because I know technology better, him can edit better, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so what him do and some word clash like when
Right.
do and them call up one on stage and that. He's been doing
So it's not something new.
no his
Okay.
kiss that he does, yeah.
Yeah.
I like when he do a good song.
Yeah.
You can go watch him over and over. He's not gonna dash around the
The
car.
boss. Remember him one night time they come and say fuck a goat and breed a goat.
Yeah, but that's
So that's why I say.
It's a part of the skit.
no,
What-
but people, bro. It was a skit he did.
It's
It
a
was a
skit.
skit. Yeah, I know.
It go
So-
viral for the funniness, and then you have the negative side of the people.
Obviously, people are
No,
going
no,
to
no,
turn
no.
things
No, listen.
negatively.
Let me finish.
And that's why when Jamaica
Jagan,
found
hold
Jamaica-
on.
Jagan,
Let bread's
Jagan.
done. Hold on.
The people them,
Watch
that-
that, you know,
the
cause
people-
I know what kind of done blood clot business. I don't know, yo,
Anyway.
careful.
the people them that bash the youth for that, yeah.
Yeah.
If you look upon the people that do it, it's people of influence as well. You see me? So I like the regular people, of course. Everybody and the woman knows say the man never do that. Him not married to the God. Cause what's the name again? One from Portmore, Fast School Bridging.
That's cool.
Fast call.
In Bridging.
Prince Pine.
When Pine do the same man, when him say him when him had pick this up
Identify
and I
as,
go on,
yeah,
everybody say,
yeah.
oh my gosh. You know why? The world catch up with the madness. But this guy done all this stuff when everybody was touchy feeling.
So what? Obviously, when he went through that situation, it was a cry for. I'm still standing on the point that it was a
Which
cry
one?
for help.
When the man spit up on the phone.
When he was spitting up on the
And
phone, and
all of them lashing there forward from the good thing. It a lead up from
No,
this.
because so Jamaica. Sorry, Ras. So from the good thing, Jamaica mentally fuck up the man then because he did it as a skit.
Yeah.
People liked it, and
Yeah.
then certain people
Turned
start
it into
bashing.
something else.
So then kind of influence people say, yo, you know, like say Bunty Killer said, yo, the killer right, you know. And then them start change away from them find it funny. It did fuck up in meds, can you go for a minute? And then go up on 876, and then him start feel the same energy where people start pick side and then
People are like pussy.
and people start pick side and then him own bridge when they look at waste man one,
Don't remember the
Him.
little round face where it look like
rat face one. Him.
the
Because him
Candy
want because
Crush
yeah,
game.
because him want world
I don't know his name.
World that make people start for like I don't know them that run back a world that,
Yeah, after the 876 release thing.
Tavi Tavi.
No, we're talking about
not
Tavi.
So when the man
I don't remember his
when the
name.
man in fight,
Yes.
them that tries no sorry at first they were trying to say it's a prank.
Don't drink no more rum.
No, them that say them that try to say a prank, but then obviously my man say fuck that a prank. This is what it is.
Yeah.
And I believe if he did say world out on a real day,
He would have rushed him.
Then the man go again, as I say, mad genius, they can't take nothing from quality.
Yeah.
And then forward back and start them thing. Them show him again. And then flip. See, split up thing I talk about?
So
He had that episodes, you know.
we know,
So,
I've been watching quite a few
now
of
him back
them.
in a creative space
Yeah.
where him create him character them again. And up a whoop the other Zeus who kick him out. But him a do him thing. You know what the TJ thing him do?
Yeah, and TJ
TJ
reposted
reposted
it. That was a
And
good
you actually
one.
whole full skit here.
Yeah.
The man literally done. And he look at and say, you know what?
It's
like-
really different.
It's a humor where you watch it and say, shit, okay, cool, and it good. But the other man of them thing where you say on TikTok and them something there, it's not for now. This is something where it's gonna be always there.
So the question I want to ask is: yes, he's been doing his skits. He's been going through certain situations. Is he actually, or what are your thoughts? Is he actually going through, or been through some mentally challenging situation,
I don't know, he look
or
like
was
that.
it a skit?
No,
No, he was going through some things.
Okay,
and him
Because
try- him try
him
this-
come
one at a time, Brett.
like based on like an interview that I
He's
watched with him on the
interview.
fix.
He's interview.
I watched an interview with him on the fix. He was going through something, some trauma. You see me? And it's a whole heap of factors that I'm in life because remember, you know, there's a lot of things what you can do, where some people will say, hey, it look good because look at this example when Tony Matterhorn was doing a skit and put on the wig, right? Remember, some woman and the masses them that say, oh yeah, it's funny, and because people are telling them say it's funny. But you don't know the core dancer, like the people.
Not the core. Not the core.
Bad man, me talk, no?
Not the core.
Nobody never cut you off when I talk.
We're not the core dancer.
The core dancer, like Bounty Killer, and some man will stand for certain things. Bad man, relax, some man will stand for certain things. Will say, yo, as a big selector like this, where represent we internationally, you know, if you behave like a bitch. You get what me I say? So that's why enough of these man were doing skit. Them not really put on a wig again. Remember where the one name where used to wear a whole wig? Well, I wanna don't know him never catch on to Tik Tok, him just dead off now. Yeah. But these things, it fuck with your character and our longevity because people don't really rate you. People always look at people can't look past that. A man will wear a wig.
No, me personally think I come back to what I said earlier, yeah.
What you come argument in you?
You see when somebody Bounty Killer start run at you at the time
and make a talk about it.
And to Bounty never end up look whatever. And a Bounty is like same people must say, as I said before, I said it was funny.
Susan, who did
Susan, the boy I was with Susan,
He forwarded the other day with Quite Perry. Off. No, but him get a little running.
No call on him there on the show, move along.
But we're talking if you brought up Susan, I'm telling you that he was recently seen.
Susan wear well per week, me know the man there I see him living a.
Yeah, but the two of them usually do videos and they collaborated the other day. I'm just saying. Thank you, lovely
Prince
show.
Man and Batman, bro.
Oh?
Who?
Prince Man name.
Who
Prince Manny?
The one that was
that does Susan.
We never say so.
You just said that.
We never say so, my boss.
The one who wears the wig.
You know, listen, me say the other name don't call it on the show.
Yeah, but the two of them do the same thing.
Okay.
But the two of them do the same thing.
Don't mix me up, my boss.
But the two of them do the same thing.
Me never say none of them about him, man. Me say one will live in a sea.
Anyway,
so
I think it's
the two of them do the same. Anyways,
all right. The thing is here. So many times people will know what is acting and what is reality. It's when you try to use the personal feel eat of somebody, and use the ultra ego them do, and I say them at this way create night and people start to hear. With the Prince Man Station and Susan, the man create a character, and them do that. Yeah, even when they book him for show, they would never go as the person like that. Isn't it?
Gangali, Ninja Man wearing a wig going to stick as a prank.
Ninja Man wear extension.
A man wear a wig or wear extension. That's a different thing because wearing a wig as a man is different, right? But wearing a wig acting like a girl is a total different ball game.
Not necessarily.
What do you mean?
Because
so if you put on a G-string then
oh my god.
Well, my boss, if you put on a G-string and go on like a girl, then you're not fish.
So if you put on a girl, you're not fish.
Exactly.
No.
No.
Okay. Yeah,
but it's the same. It's the same thing.
It's a fish.
It's the same thing, bro.
No, like
because hold on, because we have to look at it realistically. We have to look at it realistically that we have those individuals who they don't behave feminine, but they are. You have to acknowledge that, dog.
Right about now, you have to acknowledge that. You cannot use certain things to define with somebody.
That's true.
You have man who wear pink.
It's a color.
But before pink was meant for females.
No.
Before back in the day, when you do a gender reveal, which color them use man and female?
It's for girls, not female.
So girls are who?
Girls are little female, younger females.
All right, but then would you put a boy in a pink outfit?
A little boy? No, you wouldn't.
Why?
Because you don't want to groom as them kind of people.
Exactly my point.
Because it was meant for the younger
stop. That's the whole point. That's the whole point I'm trying to say. Nowadays, it doesn't even matter what color you wear, bro.
So you put a little baby in a pink and make people say, oh, what a nice girl.
But nowadays, you can put boys in pink and it look nice.
Bro, it doesn't matter what
you
people
can.
Pink shirt and
denim pants. But hold on.
Brown shoes.
Because why people used to do
Green
it? Because when I talk this out of context.
Context.
Context and concept, right? Because the concept where them used to use in terms of dressing like one gender in one color one because remember when most young babies are born You can't differentiate the sex just by looking at them because they don't ball with the tall ear and the rare. So babies just look like babies. When them have on clothes, you can't differentiate the
But
gender.
you know,
So when people normally put on the ribbon and the pink clothes are rare, it's to differentiate the sex.
Yeah, but
so
you're
you
not gonna
can't
put
accidentally call a boy baby a girl or call a
vice
girl
versa.
baby a boy.
Yeah,
Because you know what go so many time when
yeah.
you see a little baby, if him in some regular color clothes, you can't differentiate the sex because you don't know the baby.
Jagan. Back
call
then,
him
Jagan. Back then, universally, pink was for female. Ladies, girls.
So them say.
So that was it. Nowadays, no one cares because, as I say,
It's fashion.
colors do not show who somebody is no more. The world get to a point where who you think is not who they are. Bro, it's even no breed. Yeah? I will live on a road where this man making a rice in the house.
He's making who?
Bam.
Yeah.
And if that blood, what I never did.
Remember Bam?
Rice and bam, yeah.
Rice and Bam. What rice and Bam?
It's something, it's a very disgusting bam.
You sure I saw your name Rising?
Alright, cool.
Just leave it
is
at bomb.
good.
Moving right along.
I'm gonna go it and show after.
Yeah,
Don't worry
bomb.
about
He
that
was
time.
making a bomb in his home.
Yeah.
Moving on.
And we know say that too. The neighbor, cause you know them come for different people come for your door. And then move them out.
I don't know.
They move them out of the station house and cross the road and whatever. And I want them to tell you what going on. This man's a normal dude. Every day see him on the road and work everything. But the man is was a bomb maker. So she say, you can't just look upon somebody and just think say, my neighbor just cool. It don't matter the next door in the house. You wake up one day, you never say, I gotta say, I don't go on.
Yeah.